How to make funk on Soundation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can make funk on Soundation. So to make funk on Soundation is not automated, you would have to put in the work yourself. And how do you do so? First of all, log in into your Soundation account and then move to your dashboard. On your dashboard, by the left side, you see some options. Then on the main page, you see the option for you to create a new project or to edit a project that you have before. So you can decide to just create a new project or you can decide to edit your previously existing project. Whichever one is fine. So by clicking on the projects, you would have to wait for the project page to load, and then you'll be taken to the stage where you can now go ahead to make a funk. To make a funk, the first step is by making a beat. And how do you make a beat? On the editing page, go to the bottom part of the screen where you can see options like build a track with loops and samples, record audio, generate a sample, play or record an instrument, make a beat. So click on make a beat. By clicking on make a beat, by the right side of the screen, you will see some beats. So ensure you play the beats and listen to the one that has a drum-like sound. Okay, that's the one that is more appropriate for making a funk. So just go ahead, select the one you want to use and then drag and drop it on the page. So by dragging and dropping it, you can now see these different loops, the ups and down of the beat. And then once you have this, the next step is to go ahead to adjust this bit. And to do that, the next thing will be for you to drag a drum loop from the sound library that which has been done now. Then the next step would be to add a bass line and distort it slightly for that gritty funk sound. Then use effects like beat crushers, distortion, and sharper boxes to give your track that funk vibe. So to add effects, move to the left side here, click on add effects, and by clicking on that, you'll see a number of effects. All right, so locate the one that gives off the funk vibe, which includes distortion, all right, or crusher. So once you found the one, also select it, okay, and then you'll see it added to the beat. All right, so once that been added, you can go ahead to add more gain to it. Okay, you can edit the gain, you can add more volume to the effects. That's for the clip. For the fold back as well, you can also edit this gain and the volume. Just ensure you set it to your desired taste depending on how funky you want your sound to be. Then you can now sample some vocals or add your own and add effects to make them fit the funk style. So how do you do that? You can sample some vocals by yourself by recording audio. All right, you can record an audio of yourself in a way that is funky. All right, note that you're trying to create a funk on Soundation, or you can just upload can make upload audios or funk audio sounds. That's way it can even be easier. And then next step is that you can invite a friend to collaborate with you on making a funk. In case you're stuck and then you have a friend that makes sub Soundation to create funk sounds a lot, you can just easily reach out to them in order for you to do this. Then the next step would be for you to use mixer preset and sound gazer to mix and master your track. So if you have a mixer, you can connect it to your PC and then make use of it to also edit the channels of your sound. All right, you can see there are different numbers here and you can see how it is displayed. So you can also double click on it this way in order for you to see more details about the sound, and then go ahead to use your mixer to edit them depending on the kind of funky sound that you're looking for. And that's way you'll be able to make a funk successfully on Soundation. Then once you're done, set the loop region and choose a file format to export your funk track. Thank you for watching and go ahead to create that funk sound today.